Am I ready for this A Boogie concert? Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see, I'm doing a get ready with me for the A Boogie concert. Whoa, switch up. Don't mind me, I just started. But I just wanted to insert this little clip of me because my voice sounds really bad in the beginning because I was very sick. But thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you like it, not telling you to, but if you do like it, give it a thumbs up. Thanks, guys. Energetic, I'd say, or enthusiastic. And it was the same for my last two videos too. But as you can see, I have a better camera. I don't know how to get the best quality out of this because I know it's a really high quality camera. I just don't know how to get the best out of this. But anyways, I'm going to skip through my brows. I will have a separate brow tutorial, but I just feel as though if I skip through, it'll save some time. So now I'm just gonna prime my face with the Urban Decay mattifying de-slick primer. So I'm going to be using the Clinique foundation, and it's the one with the big doe foot. This is also a sample too, but I've used this a couple times before, so I'm definitely going to buy it. But I love this foundation. You know, this looks very orangey right now. Ooh. Maybe at night it didn't look like this, but this looks really orange right now. Oh, my lips are so dark. Looks like I smoke cigarettes. And she took my, I'm using my Maybelline, even though I don't want to, my Maybelline concealer in Deep Fawn, because she took my L.A Girl concealer, even though she had one. Now I'm just gonna take my Sacha buttercup. I'm just gonna set my face. Okay, let's move on to contouring. I switch out my brushes like every day when it comes to contouring. Like, it's so sad how many times I switch out my brushes. So yeah, just music and ooh shh. I forgot I can't do that. It's because I'm sick and I have like a runny nose. I forgot I can't do that. So like my YouTube channel was already going slow. Like, it was already slow for me, and I watched this one video and I will never forget it. This guy was like, you will have weeks, months where your channel is like no activity at all. You can't let that get to you. You have to keep trying. And as much as I really wanted to take that person's advice, I was just so sad because it was a major pushback for me. And I was just like, you know what, whatever. And that's when I somewhat gave up, if you would say. Like, I just completely gave up on myself, and I was like, whatever, I don't care anymore. I never wanted a YouTube channel like that. I'll do whatever. But that wasn't true. It's something I always wanted. I always wanted a successful YouTube channel. So this is me trying. Me renting these cameras from my media tech building is me trying. And hopefully, you know, I make enough videos and get enough people that like my personality and like me and think I'm not a dry, basic person. And they subscribe. Not telling you to subscribe, because I can't stand those YouTube channels that's like, in their whole intro, they're like telling you to subscribe, like the video, comment. You don't have to do that. Because I don't do that with every video. I really don't. I don't like every video. I try to like as much as videos as I can. I feel as though when YouTubers start making their money and stuff like that and getting PR and everything, I just feel as though that they earned it. Like they're like, wow, I worked so hard and I finally get to spend something on me for once. Or, you know, if they have a family and their family wasn't as fortunate, they get to help their family out. So let's get right on into the makeup. Now, excuse my palette, but I'm going to be using the Morphe. You see that? The Morphe 350 palette. Let's just go with the flow, okay? So I'm just gonna be going into, everybody knows there's a lot of brown shades, but I hate doing this. But I'm going to be telling you all the colors that I'm going to be using. Can you still see it over here? Okay, so yeah, I'm going to be using this color here. I'm going to be using this color, this color, this color. I might use this color. Use this color, but just know I'm going to be using these colors, okay? Just know that. The majority of the warm brown and some of the cool brown shades, okay? Okay. The right region of the palette, and I'm just going to have a transition shade, you know what I mean? You know? You feel me? Okay. Okay. Just creating a transition shade here. And by the way, what I used to use my brows with was the e.l.f. brow kit, or brow bar thing, whatever they call it. It's really good, actually. What is this hair for my eye? Okay. It's really good, actually. I really like it. At first, I was like, what the F is this? And then I was like, you know what? Not that bad. Not that bad. Go in with the, I'm just literally going light to dark. So I'm going to go in with the next darkest shade. I have no idea what type of look I'm doing. I just know that I'm doing something. I don't know what I'm going to wear. Like, I have no idea. My friends don't. We were just talking about that. Like, that's one of the worst things about being a girl. You have so much clothes, and then when it's time for you to go somewhere, we have nothing to wear, like, at all. I find myself not having any shirts. Nothing. Like I never existed. Okay. Like, you can, like, add a pigment and you'll be done, Mahasan. But you have ideas. I see that you have ideas. Like, you know, it could be so simple. It could be done right now. But I'm looking into your eyes. I'm looking into them. And you want to do more. Okay, I see what you're doing, Mahasan. I see. And I raise you for what type of pigment color are you going to put? I think this is where I want it to be. I think. Ah! Why did I do that? Why did I do that? It's too much. No! Why, Mahasan? Look what you did! As you can see, I messed up a lot. This is no longer a highlight eye because Mahasan Mitchell wanted to mess it up. Why did I do that? You know how you do things without thinking? And you're just like, what's going on? Yeah, that's what just happened just now. I literally dipped my brush in the darkest color and then put it where my transition shades were. Like, why? Why did you do that? Why? Like, I don't understand. Were you hungry? Were you thinking about food? Like, what's going on? Why would you do something like that? Anyways, let's put these lashes on, please. Like, are we going to get to that? Now, the lashes that I'm using, these are from Walmart, and they're in the style So Glam, and I think they're by Salon Spa. I'm not sure, but these lashes are so beautiful, and they come in like a 6-pack, I believe, and it's only like $8. It's $7.98, but it's $8. Okay. All right, Mom. These eyeballs. I love Lil Uzi. I really, you know what? I think I had an epiphany like 2 weeks ago. I was listening to his songs, and then I realized that I've been playing the same artist for like an hour and some change, and I was like, wow, he's a really good artist, like a really really good artist. Like, cause I never can just listen to a song and listen to the song the whole way through. Like, I'm the type that like, oh, I wait till it gets to the hook and then I skip it. Like, I'm that type. So don't ever put me on the aux cord. Like, but then no, I bleep it out. I'm using my Carli Bybel palette for my highlighter. And I'm also using my Makeup Revolution shimmer brick. Because when people look to the side, I'm like, wow. It's not too much today. It's really not. But now I love using this pink one. This pink one just, oh. Ha! Way that you flip you. It's a new day. I think this actually came out pretty decent. Pretty decent. Not too crazy. Do you like this? Mm-hmm. Don't you love it when you have your makeup done and you're just like, do you guys like this? I think it's cute. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning into my video. This was pretty fun. I'm gonna have to edit out a lot of stuff, but I will definitely make more. I will definitely make one tomorrow. Like, I'm gonna just be uploading and uploading as much as I can while I have this camera. So, like I said before, you don't have to subscribe. You do not have to subscribe. But if this video helps you out a little bit, good, just watch it. You don't have to subscribe to my channel. You have to like the video. You don't have to comment. You know, you're welcome. You're welcome, you know. Tune into my next video. Oh, and let me know if you want to see any videos. You know, I might whip something up. I might whip something up for you, you know. Whip it up. All right, bye guys.